I got it. Oh, you got it too.
I don't even mess this up like I promised you.
You don't sub like that. How you doing? You just trying to make a little thing right here.
I gotta make
Make a little.
go card.
I don't know. This looks like it's for the. Yeah, that's for the back.
So like I said, 3 on word.
Oh, get another stick. I get you another stick.
I'm sorry.
Got plenty of them things, girl. Got plenty of them things. Ain't nothing to get frustrated about. Yeah. Yeah, you messing with me.
I can't get over it.
You messing with me. Everybody?
So this is our plug. Yeah, the motor. This is the car.
Okay.
So
All right, everybody there?
I'm gonna win.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue.
Makes sense.
All right. We're gonna
Say,
glue.
yeah, go
Let's
ahead.
say you got your rear wheel.
Yeah, go ahead. Alright,
got
I
it
can see.
done, right?
I can see.
You glued it to that. Now what you want to do is you want to glue that. You might want to take the. You can take that off. Watch this. Take that off. And look, that straw that you have for your back. Everybody look, that straw you got for your back. I want you to, because you glued the stick to your back, right? Now put a little glue up there and put this straw up there. Try to center it. Try to center it like I did that one.
So take it out.
Yeah. Try to center it. And then once you do that, I want you to take the front and do your front wheel, but no, your front is not going to have a popsicle stick. It's just going to glue your straws glue straight to your cardboard, okay? And just leave it. And then take a break, okay? After you do that. After you get both of them down, leave it, blow on it, take a break, okay? We got to let it go. So, what you do is, good job. Make sure good job, good job, good job.
Like that. And now,
Just leave this kind of leave it alone.
what'd you say about the front wheels again?
So the front wheels, so the front straw, you just take it and put it on the cardboard on the front where you're gonna place it.
So take